Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the student researcher role that has opened up at Google. This will be an on-site internship or apprenticeship at Bengaluru, Karnataka, and they require you to complete your applications with an updated resume or CV and a current unofficial or official transcript, preferably in the PDF format. You need to complete your application before 31st of July 2026, and definitely the program requires you to be present in India during the course of your engagement. Now, as a part of their minimum qualifications for this role, they want you to be currently enrolled in a bachelor's, a master's, or a PhD degree program in computer science, linguistics, statistics, biostatistics, applied mathematics, operational research, economics, or natural sciences. So you need to be currently enrolled in any of these fields in your bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree program. Apart from that, if you have experience in one area of computer science, that is, you can have natural language understanding, human computer interactions, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, algorithmic foundations of optimization, quantum information science, data science, and definitely software engineering, then these experience in any one of these areas will be enough for your minimum qualifications. Apart from this, they also have some of their preferred qualifications. So, if you are currently enrolled in a full-time degree program and returning to that program after the completion of your internship, then those timelines are preferred for this role. If you have some experience in contributing to research communities, including publishing papers in journals or major conferences. Also, if you have experience in one or more general purpose programming languages, that can include C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, then you will be definitely a preferred candidate for this role. Now, those are your qualifications that they require you to have. If you have them and you're applying, what will be the process of getting hired as a research intern? They would require you to have a CGPA of 8.5 or above, and you need to have one or more internships projects in your resume when you're applying. So make sure it is completely updated with all the skills, all the areas of interest. Make sure the areas of interest that you have are coinciding with the preferred or minimum qualifications, the areas, the skill sets that they have mentioned there, because what they see is not mostly what you have worked on, but also your area of interest or how enthusiastic you are to research on that area. So make sure your resume has to be spot on this. So yeah, that is one. And apart from your resume, for interviews, you can go through previous year questions. Interview for a student research intern in Google is not the same as an SWE role or an SWE intern role. So they don't have multiple interviews with multiple interviewers, and they don't ask you to code on every interview. Yes, you will have it'll be useful if you brush up your DSA, practice problems, and most importantly, if you gain some insights on how to give interviews and go through some lead code and geeks for geeks questions, it will be helpful. They will ask you questions, but it won't be the rigorous process that you have for SWE. So yeah, but if you go through these things, it'll be a good practice and good for future interviews as well. So go through the PYQs for the student intern role at Google. That would be uh, really a benefit for you. So these are the processes, the interviews, the resume application, and whatever qualifications that they are requiring you to have for this role. Go ahead, apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the application window in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply, and the last date to apply is 31st of July. So take your time, apply before the link expires. And if you guys are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. I post videos on internships, job openings, especially for college students, so on the lookout for these things. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.